Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to add a background video in Hostinger website builder. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log into your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. And next to the website you want to add a video as the background for, click on this edit website button. This is my website in Hostinger website builder, and let's say that for this section, instead of using this image or photo as the background, let's say I want to use a video as the background. So select this section like that, click on edit section, make sure you are in the background tab. Here, instead of image or color, select video. As you see, it was automatically switched. Now click on this replace video to select my video. Unfortunately, you can't upload your own video, but you can't use these videos provided by Pexels service. Let's say I want to add, for example, a barber. Now all of these images are videos. Select this one. Before we continue, I want to let you know that you can get access to my Hostinger website builder masterclass online course today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger, templates and branding, editing page content, menus and navigation, advanced layout features, contact and communication, e-commerce setup, blogging, SEO, analytics, and site management. To get access to all of this today for free, plus my other online courses about Hostinger web hosting or Hostinger Horizons, just visit this page academy.dotcom.builders and you will see how to join and get all of this today for free. Without any further ado, let's continue our video. Select this one. You can check it. You can return to the list. Check the second video. Now let's look for example, something from the nature. Search for nature. Select your video here and hit this select item. Close this window and don't forget to update your website from this corner. Let's view my website live. And this is how to use or how to add a video as the background in Hostinger website builder.